என் கல்யாணம் .in அறிமுகப்படுத்துகிறது. வெறும் ₹1 வரன் தேடும் பாக்கியம்.
A very good afternoon to the members of the press.
Without much ado, I'd like to move on to the presentation. Can we have the first slide, please? I'm going to take 10 minutes of your time. English is good for everyone, or can Tamil what? English is good? Okay, perfect. Clipping away heart disease. What is this mitral clip?
The heart is one of the most important organs in the body, working relentlessly to enable the human cardiovascular system to function. The heart has 4 chambers, the upper right and left atria, and the lower left and right ventricles.
What does this mitral clip do? What is mitral regurgitation? If in the heart or the top chamber, good blood flows to the heart's bottom chamber, and when the heart squeezes, this flows to the entire body. In some people, either because of heart attacks or because this valve gets damaged, when this valve doesn't close, the blood flows backward into the upper chamber instead of going forward to the body. Now, because of this, 2 things happen. Majority of the blood is going backward in the heart, which goes and fills the lungs, and the patients feel like they are choking. The second thing is, because most of the blood is going backward, nothing goes forward. So the entire body doesn't get enough blood. And they have a miserable quality of life. So this is what this condition does. Now, when did this mitral clip first come into being? 2003 was the first in man. Then bit by bit they started doing cases. And in 2013, 2014, there was a landmark trial called the COAPT trial. What did this COAPT trial do? It found out that in heart failure patients, when you clip the mitral valve, the mitral clip is nothing but a small 15 millimeter by 6 millimeter clip. And this clip is actually moved into the heart while the heart is beating, and on the leaflets, it just clips the leaflets together, completely abolishing the leak. This gives tremendous symptomatic relief to the patient. So in the study, first of all, the procedure is safe. Second of all, in the group that were treated with mitral clip, the number of hospitalizations for heart failure dropped drastically. Third of all-cause mortality. No matter what the cause of mortality, people treated with mitral clip lived longer than people who are not treated. All their quality of life improved. So their day-to-day functioning became drastically better. And this kept improving over time up to 24 months. So this is what we take away. Reduce the rate of heart failure, hospitalizations, improved survival, quality of life, functional capacity in 24 months. Another study in 2020 was presented which showed similar results, if not better than the first study. So now what have we proved? There are 100,000 clips implanted globally so far. The therapy is miraculous. It works. It moves people from hospitals to homes and gives them their life back. Now I'm going to take you to a journey of about 2 or 3 patients that were treated here. The first was an 86, 87-year-old lady, no diabetes, hypertension, no case of mitral valve collapse, very active, doing well until 2017 March. Then, while she was playing badminton with her grandchildren, she developed sudden shortness of breath. She was rushed to the hospital, gasping for breath, and ever since then, her 6 months were terrible. Every month she had to go to hospital to remove fluid from her lungs. So this was what we did. As you can see, it's nothing but just a clip. If you look at the pointer, it's just a tiny little clip that opens, and while the heart is beating, without stopping it, we find the exact area where the valve is leaking and just clip it together. Or tuni clip mari. Expensive tuni clip, but it's still a tiny clip. So after the first clip, we realized that there was still a little more leak, so we went right by the side of it and put 2 clips. Now you can see this 3D, how you see this big bunch of tissue. This is a tone valve jumping out, and it's completely gone and the clips are in place. You can see the 2 clips. The pressure inside the heart went from high to nothing within 3 to 4 minutes of clipping the patient. This was her on day 1. She went home walking for the first time on day 2. Now, all of you covered so eloquently this patient because all your papers put up the fact, because you were all so shocked that exactly 5 days after the mitral clip, she was in a press meet playing badminton, not only with people her own age, but she played badminton with her grandchildren right here at the Taj. Patient 2. 80-year-old gentleman, renal failure, heart attack, severe LV dysfunction, cardiac arrest survivor, multiple hospitalizations. And I think his family is here on Zoom. They wanted to come here, but because of the present situation, they couldn't, but they're here with us on Zoom. He was a surgical turndown. And I was actually away in South America. He realized that Apollo was doing this procedure and flew his father in, got admitted without even meeting any of us. We clipped him. And that huge leak disappeared to nothing overnight. Can you see that big hole in the valve? It's almost as if the valve is not even meeting. That's exactly how the hole is. And this is post-clip. Huge pressures disappeared to nothing. And look at these messages. He's saying, sir, for the last 6 months, I used to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning because I used to have tea with my father. He could not sleep. For 6 months, this man was sitting like this and going to sleep. And he says, first time he's sleeping and I miss having tea. I said, that's a good thing to miss. Then he says, he slept all night. He says, what all can a little kid do? His memory is better, he's breathing better, he's walking better, his kidneys improved. So this is a miracle. Every month from the day of the clip, he has sent a message saying, good morning, sir, thank you for this miracle. You can see month after month. That is how life-changing this treatment is.
Namaste. Our chairman who continues to inspire us every day, Sunita, my colleague at work, Dr. Sai, who I guess is the king of hearts, and members of the press who've been our support system over the past 38 years. When chairman dreamt of Apollo, achieved Apollo, and now has taken Apollo to the global map, I think you've been with us through the journey. Thank you, members of the press. But today I really want to thank the families of our patients and our patients for placing their trust in us. It's not easy to say that, we run the largest cardiac program. In the private sector, we've treated the largest number of COVID patients. We've dared to dream to become the largest vaccination provider again in the private sector. So there are many things we do, and we dare to say that we will do 4 cases in one day, which again breaks a record in Asia. It's not really about the numbers, it's not really about breaking records. It's the fact that every patient is special. Because for that family, it is that patient. And here especially, we understand that they're all senior citizens. So they become even more precious for the families. So whatever has to be done to them has to be to the highest levels of precision, highest level of teamwork, highest level of care. And for all this to come together as a perfect orchestra, I think takes a lot of effort and even that single-minded focus. Sometimes we liken our hospital to flying an aircraft. In an aircraft, everything has to be done perfectly, otherwise so many lives are at stake. At the Apollo Hospital system, we take care of really 4 jumbo jets full. That's the kind of number on a day-to-day basis, minimum, who are critically needing, that kind of focus. So I think it's each clinician, each support system, the team who really comes into play to do that. I'm very proud to be an Indian, and over the past 1 year, we have shown that as Indians in the healthcare ecosystem, we are not second to anyone in the world. In fact, we're better than some of the most developed and advanced countries. And I think processes like this, achievements like this, and more than anything else, outcomes like this put us completely on the global map. I'm so happy and proud to be part of the Apollo Hospitals group, and I stand in front of you as a proud Indian to say that every Indian doctor is second to none, and we will continuously achieve and challenge ourselves to do better than the best. So thank you all for being here, and mostly for the families and for the patients who have placed their trust in us. Thank you, and we will continue to do whatever we can, and we will never let you down. Thank you.
Thomas Jairaj, Andrew, can you bring mom and dad up on stage? Akka, come.
I am 84, but I feel as if I were 48. Thank God and our doctors. I am very much grateful to Dr. Sai Sadis because of his excellent treatment. I am still alive. I am leading a happy, active, healthy life.
Excellent. So, not all heart failure patients and heart attack patients will have mitral leak. When the heart attack involves a certain blood vessel that involves the mitral valve area or the circumflex artery, this can make the mitral valve scar and pull back and cause the leak. So in a good percentage of these heart attack patients, they have mitral regurgitation, like Mr. Bhatia. And in them, there's a tremendous relief by clipping and reducing the mitral leak.
There was a go through the angiogram.
So the first thing we do is we do the angiogram and we first fix the block. Then we wait 2 months. We see if the leak has gone down. If the leak has gone down, we do nothing. If the leak is still there, they should be clipped.
How long will the clip be functioning?
So the first few clips were put in 2003. What we have realized is that they're working so far. More time has to pass to show how long they will be used. Now, till now, like any new technology, the first group of people they try in is the prohibitive risk, where you can't operate. Once they realize it's safe, then they start moving to the lower risk in the younger population. Just now, the younger population and lower risk studies are starting in MitraClip. They have started enrolling. But only time can tell. Right now, we know, like Mr. Thomas Jairaj said, I am 84 going on 48 after 3 years after the clip. And they get the 2-year follow-up data from Co-op shows that every 6 months they are better than the previous 6 months.
So this Mitra clip is like permanent or it can
So it's permanent. What happens is, once we put the clip, there's a little covering on it that allows skin to form on it. So this skin forms on it and creates a tissue bridge that keeps it in place and makes sure that the leaflet doesn't go off and it start leaking again.
So can we say that this will prevent the heart attack?
Okay, so heart attack happens when you have a reduction in blood supply to the heart muscle. So the heart has 3 main blood vessels, and it's interesting, just a bit of trivia for you. They are called coronary arteries because from Latin it comes from the word coronarum, because the first Latin physician who described it said, like a crown they wrap around the heart. Just thought it's interesting when you asked. So the heart attack comes from blocks in these coronary arteries. The mitral clip is put inside the heart, in the valve that controls the direction of blood flow. So there are 2 separate things, but heart attacks can cause leaks which can be treated with mitral clip.
Yeah.
So normally what I like to do is I like to see them at 3 months, and the follow-up usually is just an echo to see the heart significantly improving. Once in 6 months, so I like to do 3 months, 6 months, then once a year.
Is it must they should come to the hospital or is it?
I can't hear you very clearly.
Is it must they should come to the hospital or you can go through in online?
So because so many patients have, so the therapy is not yet known, which I'm hoping all of you will help us change today. Most of the patients who come are from different cities, different countries. So we don't have the luxury of flying them to us each time. We just ask them to do an echocardiogram, send it to us. Unless they have a complaint, they don't come back. So they were on the maximum amount of medication that they can take and still they were suffering. The minute we put the clip, with time, we can reduce the medication until when they are comfortable. But the clip fixes heart failure. They will have to continue medication for the underlying disease. So depends on the size of the insurance policy you take. Now, if you take an insurance policy, no matter how much the procedure costs, law mandates that you should be reimbursed. The MitraClip is a little expensive since you're talking about the cost. But 4 years back when I stood in front of all of you and I spoke about this therapy called TAVI, everybody wondered 20 lakhs or 25 lakhs are, is it affordable? Do you know how many TAVIs happen in India today? I alone do 10 a month. India does 80 to 100 TAVIs a month. MitraClip costs the same amount. There are people to be treated. The more and more doctors start doing it, the more and more teams start doing it, volume will drive the cost down. More people can afford it. So stent is for block in the heart blood vessel and clip is for leak in the heart valve. So they are two separate therapies. But I think both are good because we do both.
We have a question from online from Mr. Ajay Tyagi from PTI. What is the cost of the surgery? I think it's been answered previously. 25 lakhs. How many days of hospitalization is required? And also he wants to know how many such procedures have been done in India and how many in Apollo so far.
So the total number of procedures, so in case all of you are wondering why this press meet, why are we here? America diagnoses, Mr. Ajay, right?
Ajay Tyagi.
Ajay Tyagi. Ajay, I can't see you, so I'm going to look around to one of the cameras and talk. So the reason why we are all here is because, like I mentioned in my presentation, America does diagnoses 4 million cases of mitral regurgitation, treats 1.5% of that. India in 2 years has done only 21 cases. That has to change. With 4.6 million patients suffering from heart failure, we cannot stay at 21. All India, 21 cases, Apollo, 13 cases. And the procedure costs 25 lakh rupees. The patients can leave hospital in 1 day, but we are very cautious, we send them home in 2 days. Amma, I can only tell you after years go by, but I'm joking. But the good news is that in the last 14, 15 years that it's there, the clips are stable, they don't degenerate, they get completely covered by skin and they get pretty much encased inside that cocoon of skin, so they are extremely stable. But open heart surgery has been there for 65 years. That is the gold standard. So if you want to know how it compares to open heart surgery, we have studies that say that in the present period of time, the 13, 14 years it's matching it and proving better. Only as time goes, we'll know how the heart behaves after 20 years. But we're not putting it in 40-year-olds now, no? We're putting it in 80-year-olds, 75-year-olds. So we'll have to start putting it in younger patients, which will happen. We'll have another meet and you and me be sitting here and I'll tell you, didn't I tell you that day this is going to happen? Because that is the future. Right? We have to adapt new technology and hopefully it will make a huge difference to everybody's life it touches.
There is one more question online. Is it safe to go through a metal scanner in an airport?
Pardon?
Is it safe to go through a metal scanner in an airport?
Absolutely. Not only is it safe to go through a metal scanner, you can have up to a 3 Tesla MRI with the clip in you. They are designed to be in you for MRIs. So metal scanners are pea shooters compared to that.
India, the clip. The clip, is it made in India? Is this question?
No, it's not made in India. Pardon?
Is it possible to make in India?
I think we have the capacity to do anything we set our mind out to do. 3 years back or 4 years back, we didn't think that a TAVI valve could be made in India. Now we are making the valve and using it freely in everybody. So this technology is new. It's still in patent, but I'm sure soon India will start manufacturing equivalents of it. So,
According to the health body condition or...
if the parting the number of stents does not matter at all because 3 ரத்தக்குழா இருக்கு. அந்த 3 ரத்தக்குழால எங்கெங்க அடப்பு இருக்கணும் அந்த அடப்பை நம்ம எடுக்கணும். அந்த அடப்பை எடுத்து கரெக்ட் டைமுக்கு எடுத்தா the heart will do well and the person can live well. Depending on the block, 1 ஸ்டென்ட்டோ 2 ஸ்டென்ட்டோ 3 ஸ்டென்ட் நான் கணக்கு போடுறது எத்தனையோ வருஷம் முன்னாடி விட்டேன். மேக்ஸிமம் 11 ஸ்டென்ட் போட்டிருக்கோம் ஒரு பேஷண்ட்ல, மினிமம் 1 ஸ்டென்ட் போட்டிருக்கோம். The important thing is நீங்க ஒரு bypass பண்றீங்களா, ஒரு angioplasty பண்றீங்களா, 10 ஸ்டென்ட் வைக்கிறீங்களா is not important. It is important that what blocks are there are treated effectively and followed up by a good doctor to make sure he is doing well after that. See, இதுக்கு தான் வந்து நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, நம்ம வந்து one more very important concept. எனக்கு பெர்ஃபெக்ட்டா இருக்கு டாக்டர், நான் இது வரைக்கும் 10 வருஷமா ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ல வந்து காலெடுத்து வச்சதில்லை, என்ன கேட்டீங்கன்னா அதை சொல்லிக்கிறது என்ன பெருமை இல்லை. ஏன்னா நான் எப்பவுமே மறுபடியும் சொல்லுவேன், ஒரு குடும்பத்துக்கு கொடுக்கக்கூடிய மிகப்பெரிய அன்பளிப்பு வந்து உங்களோட ஆரோக்கியம். Did you know that half the patients with diabetes don't even know they have diabetes? Half the patients with high blood pressure don't even know they have high blood pressure. எப்படி தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு? ஸோ வருஷத்துக்கு ஒரு வாட்டி, ஒரு வயசுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு செக்அப் வந்து ஃபுல்லா வந்து செக் பண்ணிட்டு சுகர் இருக்கா, பிபி இருக்கா, ட்ரெட்மில்ல நடந்து ஹார்ட் அட்டாக் வர்றதுக்கு முன்னாடியே எனக்கு ஹார்ட் அட்டாக் வர வாய்ப்பு இருக்கா? See, because you know that you don't have a heart attack, I also know. Why should you come to a doctor? So that he can tell you whether you have the chance of a heart attack. So we will assess your risk, we will assess your cholesterol. அதனால தான் வந்து நாங்க மறுபடியும் வந்து எச்சரிக்கையா preventive health check பண்ணுங்க, வாங்க, take care of yourself and மறுபடியும் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கோம். So it's very important, stent வெச்சாலும் வைக்கலனாலும் to make sure you monitor your health and make sure you stay healthy.
இந்த நியூஸ் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, முக்கியமா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண மறந்துடாதீங்க.